There's these, and right there, all this will get caught up in the border, or I'll leave it out and I'll hide the ends later after I'm through with the border. But I need to figure out where I'm gonna start. And you can start anywhere, but I usually start on a corner. It just depends on how far down I want to go. And what I want to do is, in order to do the beads, I'm going to do 3 rows of single crochets. Yeah. And I don't know. I might do a white bead on the second row at every juncture. That might be a little much, but I don't know. Okay. Everybody consider, with my flipping the squares front, back, there are, not really a front and back, but I always consider where I've done the ridge as the front. And that might not be purest crochet correct, but that's the way I look at it. Yeah, okay. It's a little heavy. Okay, let's see. Oh, this corner is good as any, right there. What I do with the blue one. Okay, it's over here. And I'm just gonna insert. Get my yarn. Love to hear the African ladies say yarn. They say yarn, not Y-O-N. That just sounds so cool. Loop around, pull through, drop, and pull through. That ties it on. And oh shoot, I gotta hang there. I'm gonna have to get that off of there. And single crochet. This account is, well, I'm gonna do another one. Cause it could be 4. Oh, let me do another one. I'm a little rusty. I hadn't done this in a bit. 3. Okay. So that'll be a corner, top of a corner. Or I could do the whole corner. I'll do that. And space. 1, 2. Once I have it, I'm gonna do a double crochet there. Okay. I've made it halfway around, and I'm scrap just about gone, so I need to add on some yarn. Now I could tie a magic knot, or I could end this and just start from here and go on with the next yarn. It could be better. I think I'd rather just tie on something. Let me see. Where's, I think this is, where's this thing coming from? There's one way to find it. Or I could just leave that loop hanging and just give it a little space and just pull that in and drop that and keep on crocheting and just come back and tie that or hide it. I don't think it'll hide very good in the gray, so it needs to drop out of the way. Yeah, I can just tie that. Make sure it won't come out. And just hide the ends later. That's secure. When I get to another juncture, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do in order to make sure that that lays flat and is included in the border. Okay, I want to make sure this seam is included in the border. So, I'll show you what I'm going to do. Keep on my regular single crochet. And I can go in right here, but I don't really have to. I'm going right here. And I'm going to go up, find my first stitch, single crochet, and I think this has got pulled underneath. Okay, there it goes. And need to find my middle three, and there it is. And just keep on crocheting, or it can be pulled. Since that's black and I'm using black thread to border, it can be pulled in. I think I'll do that. And go back a couple of stitches. Lay this up here so don't forget about it. Find my stitch. Yeah. Then I'll go down on my chain. Okay. And I can go in right here if I wanted to. It's not really going to hurt anything. If it was someone paying for something, I would be more cautious about where I put my stitches, but this isn't leaving the house. It's Larry's, so you know he's not gonna look. Auntie, you put an extra stitch right there. So you don't talk like that. That's just me. and I'm including the thread as I crochet the border. The more I can do that, the less I have to hide ends. And it's coming right along. If it's long enough, you don't even have to take it down through the post. You can just let it lay up there. It's not going to come out. And if you do, you know, I'm here, so I know what to do with it. And it's getting to be a nuisance, so I'll just pull it out the way. And that's how you include your ridge, and that's how you pull in an end or a border. My first instinct was correct. I should have did just 3. But since I didn't, and I'm not going to undo all this just for that, I'm going to have to figure out a way around it. Yeah, I think I had this to happen before, and I know what I did. So I go ahead and go down here. And I'm going to slip stitch to the first one. The slip stitch. And I'm going to slip stitch to the next one. Keep it from building up. And I need to find my chain. There it is, right there. Hard to see. Let me separate them. And instead of doing a corner with 3 chain and then 3, I'm going to do 2 chained in 2. Wait, you talking about not? Let's see. I could. Yeah, I don't have to. Go in here. 1, 2, chain. 1, 2. Yeah, it's still gonna turn that corner. And continue on. It's a little sharp, but not as sharp as it was, and it didn't have all that build up. I took 2 stitches out of the corner. It'll work. Trust me, it'll work. And I'll continue on. And since I'm on row 2, I need to decide where I'm gonna put my beads. Yeah, we'll see.